What's up, guys? So before we start today, I gonna tell you something. So to some personal reasons, I gotta be leave YouTube for 2 weeks. In the 2 weeks, I won't upload anything, and so you guys won't see me in 2 weeks. And of course, after 2 weeks, I will be everything will be back on track, and I will keep uploading the stuffs. Yeah. So I just want you guys to know it. And before we start, this shit is the newest shopping event. Yeah, it's kind of just like the Marvel machine. It's just like a mini version of Marvel machine. So I don't hope it will give me something good, because from my experience of Marvel machine, and it will only give me shit stuffs. So I do really not want to open this shit, but I did buy 2 packs of them because I do this for you guys. So let's see if Nexons will be good today, though I don't think so really. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the supermarket. Anyway, this is the best place. Okay, so yeah, and I bought those pants. Where are they? Yes, here. Okay. So let's see what will happen. Okay, I can't open it. I have to drop something. Just hold on. I can drop here. Sorry for late, but coconut, what hell? Drop this. Use this. What hell is this? Back? Well, coins back. Not bad. Okay, yeah. So now we have the empty slots. Let's open this shit. Where are the pants? Yeah, here. First one. Wow. Yeah, I know. Second one. Golden hammer. Not bad. It worth like, I think, 200 millions. Yep. Miracle kills, not a goddess, so. Setup. Yeah, my Night Lord will use this. And the shield, is it good? I don't know. I don't know too much about shield. It looks good, but I don't know. Fuck. Rank B attack. Use this. Wow, another golden hammer. 3 stars. Alright. Fuck, what the hell is this? Bullshit. Oh, my inventory is full. I gotta drop something. Again, I gotta drop something again. How much left? 12 left. Well, those shit are just so good. Oh, say goodbye. See you. See you. See you. See ya. See ya. Nah, this one could worse a bit. See ya. 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 Alright. Yeah, let's keep doing this. Set up again. Alright. So if you already used one pack of them, 11 of them, that's the last pack. Oh, not percent. Shit. What hell? A lantern, Andrew box. I don't know what hell it is. Wow. Another shield. Alright. What the fuck? Amount. It looks stupid. Strength. Yeah, not percent. Slot coupon. Alright. Fuck. What the hell it is? A chair? A trash chair? Oh, God. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, God damn it. So I just used all of them and I got a bunch of trash. Yeah, I just lost my $50. I just wasted $50 on those shit. I can't believe how stupid I am. Oh, God damn it. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. See you next week. See you next 2 weeks.